Hello there. I hear that some of you have been having technical difficulties accessing Wiley Plus. I have come to offer you solutions to your problems. I think I may have figured it out. I can't promise anything, but I've tried to recreate the issues that you've been experiencing. It might work. The first thing was try a different browser. It could it could work. Maybe. It might not work. All right, if that doesn't work, because I noticed some people are having issues with Chrome and with Safari, that's really bad. But don't worry, Wiley does actually work. The problem is not your computer, it's not Wiley, and it's not Canvas. It's probably a setting in your browser. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of settings that you need to check to make sure that your computer can access Wiley. First of all, you need to enable Java and you need to basically disable all of the security settings for Wiley. Okay, because it's otherwise it can block it. I don't know why, but let's take a look here. I'm going to show you in Safari what to do. Okay. So let's start with Safari because I definitely got that one working. Okay, so right now I've got it here, and normally I should see this picture that appears here. I'll show you in a minute if it's working. But when I click on my link, I get, oh, it says, nope, we don't like that. Okay, so here's what you do. Okay, you're gonna need to go up to the file menu, or actually under settings. So go to settings, click on settings, and you're gonna go over here and you're gonna click on websites. Okay, this is for settings. And the first thing you're gonna do is I have the pop-up windows blocked in Wiley. So you need to go ahead and allow those. Okay. That probably will fix the problem. The other thing is we need to enable Java. Let's see if I need to what do we got here? All right, so we're gonna go to. I think that's the main thing. Go to privacy here. Okay. Now, I've enabled the pop-ups. I think that was all I had to do, but you might have to enable Java, and that's true on Google Chrome as well. I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to reset my page here, and let's see what it gives me. Okay, so let's try here. It says yes. I do want to allow. Okay, I'm gonna allow it. And what's okay? You know what? I change. Oh, there we go. It should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, you've got issues. Okay, so try this, and now you should be able to access it. But it's some kind of security feature on your computer that's definitely blocking it. So you need to go and shut off all the security features. Let's take a look and quickly in Safari and see if there's anything else that could be blocking it. Okay, we are allowing Wiley notifications. Oh, open links. Yes, most recent profile. I guess just allow everything. I don't know. Allow the microphone, autoplay, allow autoplay. Just go to content blockers. Okay. Use content blockers with website below. Just shut this off. Okay. It's probably okay. All right. So that's how you do it with Safari. That should work. Let's take a look at Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm gonna go stop sharing here. I'm gonna just share my full screen, which is what I meant to do in the first place. There's the desktop. Okay. So that's saying this, go in here into the Safari menu and you're going to go to settings. Okay. Click on settings. Okay. And then you're going to go to websites. Okay. And just turn all this stuff on here. All right. Turn Canvas on. That's, I don't care about CNN. I go to location, allow, uh, pop-up windows. This is the main one. Make sure your pop-up windows are allowed. All right. Let's take a look at Safari, at Chrome. I've got Google Chrome open here too, because it definitely, how did I get to it? Okay. So first thing you want to do is you want to go up here and you're going to go to, I'm going to go to open assignment. This is in Canvas. All right. So I'm going to go here and it says you need to enable JavaScript to run this program. Okay. So let me close all these other windows here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little thing over here. It's called settings. And I'm going to go to site settings. Okay. And I'm also going to, enable JavaScript. Okay. Enable images. Enable pop-up, redirects, background sync, and then let's go to site settings. What other horrible things is it? Okay, so this is education.wiley, and you're just going to turn everything on. Okay, so intrusive ads, just allow them. There's not really any intrusive ads. Okay, it's fine. But these settings, now let's go back here, chapter one reading. I'm going to open this. I'm going to reload it. Okay, maybe restart your browser, but it works now. Okay, so if you're having trouble accessing Wiley, it's because of a security setting inside of your browser. You've got to shut it off. You have to enable Java, disable the pop-up blockers, and turn off all the security for Wiley. It's one of those things, but probably it's Java and the pop-up blockers. Okay, if that doesn't fix it, let me know or call. You might have to contact the tech support of Wiley. Go to customer support. Okay. Now, the other thing that I'd like you to do, okay, I understand that some of you are taking a MATLAB course. And it came to my attention that they didn't actually have you download MATLAB on your personal computer. I was like, that's perplexing, puzzling even. You know what? That's fine, whatever. But I want to show you the joy of MATLAB because I've taught computer science. I love MATLAB. And you don't have to go to the computer lab. You can do MATLAB right on your browser. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. Let's fire up the Chrome, the Google Chrome. Okay. Yes. So good. All right. Well, I don't want Wiley here. All right. And if your case you're wondering how to get to MATLAB, up here in the search bar, let's go ahead and type in MATLAB. Search the Google. Boom, MATLAB. There it is. Guess what? All you're going to do is you're going to log in with your SLU ID right here. See, sign in. Boom. You're just going to log in. Okay. You're going to put your SLU ID, david.wisby@slu.edu. Go to next. I already got mine set up. Okay. But you might have to. Okay. There's probably some kind of procedure. Okay. Oh, no, we lost it. Okay. Now I want to share my Google screen. There it is. Okay. So you're just gonna go right here. Hey, go ahead and enter your password, and it will ask you, do you want to set this up? Yeah, I want to set it up. Okay. Invalid password. Oh, crikey. Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna reset my password. No, I think I know what it is. Okay. Oh, is it my SLU password? Oh, there it is. It's this one. It's my old email. What? No. Oh, wrong email. Okay. Oh, there it is. Why didn't I pick that? Okay. I've got the correct email that I set it up with originally. I've got my password saved in here. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there and I'm gonna sign in. Okay. And when you sign in with your SLU email, it'll take you through a sign up process. You want to sign up, get a MATLAB account. Okay. Once you're in here, you've got your account set up, go ahead and click on MATLAB. Okay. It's real easy. And oh, look right up here. Okay. It's gonna say you can open MATLAB online or you can install it. You can just install MATLAB right there. And oh, the latest version. Oh yeah, I don't have it. I'm gonna download it. Boom. Okay, and it installs pretty fast. Okay. I've got some pretty snappy internet. Okay, it already downloaded. You've got snappy internet at SLU also. Just go ahead and install it. Okay, just get it running. Okay, drag this over. Oh yeah, I'm gonna click right here, install for Mac. Yeah, I'm gonna probably leave the 2022 version on because I've got a lot of code. And it says install for Mac Intel processor. Yeah, it's an app downloaded from the internet. Yeah, I'm gonna open that. Okay, just yeah, accept it. It's from the internet. Everything's from the internet. Okay, so where's my installation process? Okay, that's it. Install it. Get it ready for class, okay? And because we're gonna use MATLAB, so you should have it because MATLAB is the best, okay? Don't don't type in, okay? Don't type in equations on your phone, okay? If you're doing the homework, you might as well get MATLAB. You've got this amazing supercomputer right on your desktop. Why not take advantage of it? You don't even have to go to the computer lab. It's not a huge app. It really isn't. Okay, get MATLAB, get Wiley working. If what I told you doesn't work, then you better call the customer service of Wiley. But I'm sure they're extremely helpful. Ooh, pre-release. Ooh, MATLAB 2025. Well, anyways, that's really exciting. I'm gonna sign off, but get MATLAB and try and get your homework working. I think this will help you. All right, that's all for now. I'll see you. Remember, there's no class on Friday. We're gonna have an asynchronous learning day. It's gonna be epic. I'm the best online teacher ever. Like, can't even believe how amazing it is. I'll see you on Monday.
Thank you, like and subscribe down below.